Hi, it's Dan from IDS. This is our new Go Direct Motion Detector. It uses ultrasound to measure position, velocity and acceleration of moving objects. It can connect via Bluetooth or via USB to various different platforms. Today I'm using my Chromebook, which is Bluetooth 4 enabled, so I'll be connecting via Bluetooth. First of all, I have loaded the free Vernier graphical analysis app. This is available on Chrome OS, iOS, Windows or Mac OS, and it's free. Let's begin. I first need to switch on the Go Direct Motion Detector. The on button is on the front of the sensor, so if I press it, the Bluetooth LED will start flashing red. I now need to connect to it, so I click on the new icon, click New Experiment, and Sensor Data Collection. It will now do a scan of all the sensors it can pick up within range of its Bluetooth. It has picked up the GDX-MD, which is the short name for the Go Direct Motion Detector. I want to click Connect to connect to the sensor. It will start clicking. I now need to just change the sensor channels. By default it does motion, but I want to do motion with a cart. With this mode it is designed to be looking for something such as a cart going down a track rather than a basketball being thrown or a person walking towards it. Click Done. There we have a graph of position against time on the screen. The Go Direct Motion sensor is connected to my Vernier Dynamics track via the motion detector bracket. I have got a Vernier Dynamics trolley, which are low friction, on my track with a bumper and a motion detector target to make the detection of the cart easier. I'm going to press space to collect some data and push the cart away and stop it. There we have a lovely position time graph, and if I click on the y-axis where it says position, I can select the velocity time graph, or I can select the velocity time graph. If I go back to just the position time graph, by unselecting acceleration and just position, I'm going to conduct the same experiment with a different mass on my cart. I have just increased the mass of my cart by adding 2 weights. I'm going to do the same experiment again. Press the space bar, flick it, and stop it. You can now see there are 2 sets of data on the graph. So you can do multiple runs of the same experiment varying a different variable, such as the weight of the cart or say the angle of the track. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. A copy of the data will be available on our website. Thank you.